like to give a special thanks to Briar for sending sea hearts to us as a gift for free. What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. Did you, hear the news? Well, I heard that a certain brand was making mini books. And I am totally excited. However, I don't have them. So until then, let's take recycled paper and print our printer ink friendly printables on the back. In the comments, some of you have said that you don't have a color printer, so we made our book printable in black and white, or rather, grayscale. We could use our book filler pages, but for this project, we're going to use scraps of foam board and recycled paperboard. I harvested mine from doll packaging. Our book is going to have a hardback cover and then foam board for the pages. Let's cut everything out, glue the paperboard template to paperboard, cut it out, take the printable for the cover and fold on the lines, glue the paperboard between the folds, fold over the tabs and glue them down to make a hardback cover. I take the foam template and glue it onto scraps of foam board. To cut my foam board, I use an acrylic ruler and a sharp X-Acto knife. Line the ruler up on the edge, press down firmly, and then I use the X-Acto knife to cut along the side. Then glue the foam board into the hardback cover to make an easy doll book for a little shelf filler. In previous videos, our easy doll books have been a single piece of paper glued around a piece of foam board. I totally like the way we did it today better because we're getting this indent where the pages are. It makes it feel a little more realistic. So now we have 3 ways of making our books. One with pages, one with a hardback cover and foam board, and one with paper covering foam board. To add a little color to the black and white books, we can print them on color paper, then put them together to change it up a little. And let's add a little gold paint on the spine to add a little more detail. It's those little touches that are going to make it look great on the shelf. Since these are so easy to make, I made a few inspired book covers. I used my Captain Picard doll to make this one, which is the only inspired book here that I actually started reading. I haven't read the other ones, but I did alter the titles to be dollhouse friendly, which is one of my favorite things to do. And I think books are great for decorating, which is why I am so excited about the upcoming minis. But just in case it takes a while for us to find them, we can continue to make our own mini books until we do. This one is Things We Never Made, Small Dolls, Making Stuff, and Happy Crafting. Let us know which inspired mini books you would like to see in the comments down below. We're gonna need a bigger bookshelf. But now Mini Toya and I can look like we're reading similar books. Oh, we might need to do something about her clothes. Good thing I bought more sweaters, which are currently priced at $12.99 on Amazon, but I got them for $10.99 a few days ago. I got 4 sweaters. One is gray, black, red, and cream. Just like the earlier ones, they work pretty good with a Barbie. Loving the gray. It's a cute little sweater dress that also looks pretty good on a Poppy Parker doll and a curvy Barbie. This red is making me think holidays. And a bestie on Instagram, Socialite Crew, tried them on their Integrity Toy guys, and it looked pretty cool. So let's try this one on Damon. Not too bad. I just have to pinch it at the neck a little to make it a better fit. Let's try adding a rubber band. Oh yeah, that worked. And here it is on Buffkin. On the guys, the arms are a little short, but I think we can make it work. I got my underwater backdrop up because, new from Briar, here are sea hearts. Come save the seas with me. These are made with 100% recycled materials. It says so right here. I think that is pretty cool. Here we have Cordelia Seahorse from Wave 1. Ice cold water reveals a unique secret. Sea Hearts come with their own collector card to learn about who they are and their favorite things to do. On the side of the box, we can see the names of other Sea Hearts we can collect. And on the back, it says it includes 2 surprise Sea Pals. And we can do our part to clean up the oceans by joining the Sea Ambassadors Club. There is a QR code that we can scan to learn more. Collectibles made with recycled materials? Okay, loving this idea. Inside, we find 1 stand. Ooh, it looks like coral. 1 Sea Hearts figure. What's up, Cordelia? Who is a soft magenta. It's lighter in the front, a little darker in the back, and there is a pearly finish. Cordelia has blue eyes and a blue heart. I find it easy to place the sea heart on the stand. And here are the Sea Pals. I have a little blue fish and an orange starfish. Here's the collector's card, where we learn that Cordelia loves taking pictures under the sea. The pictures capture beautiful memories, and keeping our seas clean helps all sea creatures. On the back, we have seahorse facts, like seahorses sleep upright and attach themselves to seagrass or shells so they don't float away. But wait, there's more. Here is Maya, a sea unicorn, who loves cooking special treats. The best ingredients are seaweed and lots of love. Maya is yellow and pink and has a horn. This sea heart comes with a different stand. It's kind of like we're making a little aquarium here. I have a yellow fish and a red crab. There are more than 50 species of seahorses, which brings us to Nixie, a sea dragon unicorn. It's like all my favorite things rolled into one. The leafy sea dragon has no known predators. Nixie is green with purple eyes and a pink horn. Here's the stand so we can display our sea dragon unicorn. My sea pals this time are a crab and a pink fish. We can use a little icy cold water to reveal a unique secret. And it says, more ocean, less plastic. Maya's secret is plastic free, and Cordelia's is an orca. Totally loving the message here, and I have an idea. Let's reuse these plastic caps to make miniatures. I make 2 small holes on the sides, unfold a paper clip, bend the sides, leaving a small flat section in the middle. Take some recycled paper and wrap it around the center, using glue to keep it in place. Bend the ends of the paper clip, then place them in the holes in the cap. Trim if needed to make a small bucket. Pick out an image from the Sea Hearts packaging, cut it out, glue it to the front of our miniature bucket so that even in our miniature world, we can help to keep our beaches clean. To learn more, visit www.briarhorses.com. Reusing that plastic cap to make a bucket reminded me of a short we did a while back, where we reused plastic from doll packaging to make some easy doll shelves, which could totally come in handy since we have all these new mini books. I use my ruler to cut an 1.5 inch strip of clear plastic. I cut the strip into 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch squares, lightly score a line 1/4 inch from the edge, move the ruler up another 1/4 inch, and score another line, being careful not to cut all the way through. Carefully bend on the lines to make a small clear shelf that we can use to display miniature items like perfume, records, mini toys made by recycling packaging, and even books. I'm gluing mine onto the side of the bookcase in our little book nook so we can display our new books. Love it. Kind of obsessed with shopping for dolls at thrift stores and antique malls lately, so imagine my excitement when I found this. Special edition Holiday Sisters Barbie, Kelly, Stacy gift set with cardboard Christmas tree and rocking horse. My Kelly doll collection is expanding. I got this set for $25. It comes with paper accessories, where we can put together a cardboard Christmas tree. It has printed ornaments, and there are more that we can punch out and hang on the tree. We get 3 dolls. Each one is holding a plastic ornament. Barbie has a star, Stacy has a reindeer, and Kelly has a snowman. Out of the box, their hair could definitely use a little attention. Unfortunately, Barbie's hair is fried a little in the back, but I'm mainly here for the clothes. So, this doll comes wearing a long dress with a black velvet top with fur cuffs, a long plaid skirt with a wide waistband. The pattern continues all the way around and it velcros in the back. There's a large gold bow attached at the waist. She has a red ribbon with elastic in her hair, gold earrings, and a gold necklace that is sewn on. And the earrings were not designed to be removed. She has black shoes and a hairbrush. This doll can move at the head, the shoulder, twist at the waist, move at the hip, and has click knees. There's a little Barbie tag on the inside of the dress, and she comes with a ring. And the dress looks pretty good on Mini Toya. I kinda love plaid dresses for the holidays. The Stacy doll comes with a black velvet shirt. It is separate from the dress. The dress has a little bib, little plaid skirt, gold details at the top. They both velcro in the back. She wears stockings that are also separate and little black shoes. She can move at the head, shoulder, hip, and has click knees. And little red earrings that are not designed to be removed. The Kelly doll is all dressed in red. It's a onesie and it's fuzzy. She has a faux fur collar, cuffs, and a gold ribbon tied in a bow. She wears a plaid headband and can move at the head, the shoulder, and the hip. And my Kelly doll collection is quickly growing. I think this gift set is from 1998, somewhere around there. And I really like the clothes. The different fabrics and textures is bringing out so much detail. And yes, I love it. Thank you for joining us for another random doll stuff video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.